Hey guys, what's up and welcome. Today we are going to be doing a super fun makeup video. I haven't really done one of these in a long time, but we are going to be talking about new drugstore makeup. I haven't bought makeup in a really long time actually because I always get my BoxyCharm and that's kind of where I get my makeup from. But I wanted to see what was new at the drugstore because there's one product that I've been hearing so much about that I wanted to try it so badly. And luckily this product was still under the new section. This is pretty much the reason for this video is this one product. We'll get to that. So I just went on Ulta.com and went to what's new and then just filtered out just the drugstore stuff. Trying to keep this video affordable. So the first thing we're gonna talk about, because I already did these before the video, I bought a couple new Dashing Divas. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with these, they are gel, basically nail strips, nail stickers. I have done quite a few videos on, I've done a couple Dashing Divas and then I've done a few ColorStay. Now, I have to say, my first impression of Dashing Diva was not good. If you guys saw that video, I was pretty harsh on them. I was not a huge fan. I pretty much was not ever gonna use them again. And I was just using my ColorStay. I have changed my mind. I like these better than ColorStay now. These last so much longer. My ColorStay ones seem to chip after like a day or two. Don't get me wrong, I still like ColorStay, but for the price and the convenience of these, you can't go wrong. And another cool thing is I have found these at Five Below for $5 and my friend buys them at like Marshall's or TJ Maxx. She has found these there and they're only like $5. So, and I mean, these are only like $8, I think, on the Ulta website. This one, for some odd reason, was on sale for $2. So I scooped those up immediately and they're really pretty. I don't know why they were on sale, but I was happy. No, okay, just kidding. It was these that were $2. So these were $7.99 and these were $2. And they're definitely sold out because I went on there to show my friend and they're gone. But it's good to know that they actually do like sometimes put those on sale. And everything I'm gonna talk about today, I will link down below in the description box. If you guys are interested, you could do some easy shopping. All right, so let's get into there's one skincare product and then makeup. Now, this first thing is going to be the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare. Who knew CoverGirl had skincare? I had no idea. So this one is a 72-hour hydration, a weightless water cream with cactus water. Okay. I have to say, I really like this. The smell is so fresh. Ah, what does it remind me of? It reminds me of something, but it's just clean and fresh smelling. It's like a really pretty light blue color, and the consistency is not what I was expecting. It's not like a cream, but it's also not like a gel that I was expecting. But I actually really liked how this one feels on the skin, and they say that it makes a really good primer. The primer I'm gonna use, like the two of them is probably like overkill, but my skin gets really dry, so I enjoy more hydration. This did retail for $19.99. So I mean, it's a little bit on the higher side, but it is a skincare. And if it's gonna keep my skin hydrated really for 72 hours, I would say it's worth it. Oh, and also you guys, let's just talk about the elephant in the room real quick. I went a little overboard with Sunless Tanner the other day. I used the Tanologist Sunless Tanner and I was just feeling really like wintry and pale, and so I decided to put a little bit on my face. Well, normally I will shower like an hour or so afterwards and take it off because otherwise it like keeps working. Well, apparently I didn't wash my face good enough because I literally have a line up here, I have lines right here. It worked too much and I didn't take it off in time. So you will see when I don't have makeup on, or you've probably already seen it because I showed you this. So yeah, you'll see that when I don't have makeup on that it looks a little ridiculous. So don't judge me, please. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna talk about, this is from NYX. This is called Plump Right Back. This is plumping serum and primer. And this is awesome feeling. I just used a couple pumps and it does say, skin instantly feels and looks plump, use alone or with foundation. So this could totally kind of be like a moisturizer as well. Like I said, I did put it on after I did the water cream, so it's probably a little overkill. My face definitely does feel hydrated right now, so it's probably a mixture of all the products that I've used, but I really did like this. And this retails for $17. I paid $17 for this? What's in here? Like gold? Wow, I didn't realize it was that expensive. It says, introducing the first ever electrolyte infused primer serum from NYX. Supercharged. Okay, it's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, provitamin B5, magnesium, and potassium. So okay, I get it. The hyaluronic acid alone is like, yeah, that's a good ingredient. So I would say it's worth the price. I just did not realize I spent that much on it. Okay, next, and I would say this is probably the star of the show. Sorry, Tater Tot. Tater, bro, hey, what are you doing? Can you get down? All right, so if you guys have not seen this foundation, then you probably are living under a rock because everyone's talking about it. This is the L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum. Do you notice a theme here? Hyaluronic acid. It's literally in like all of these products. Now, this foundation has been talked about so much. I was so excited to try it. One of my favorite, this is actually my favorite foundation until this one. This one might be my favorite now, but this was the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. And I love any foundation that has the word serum in it because I just feel like it's so hydrating. I'm not a big matte foundation person, so I definitely like the serum foundations. But when I saw this one, I was so excited to try it because I liked this one so much. I don't really feel like they're similar. This one, I will say, this is a big complaint that I've heard from a lot of people, that the packaging is very, very messy. This dropper is like, it's a good idea, but like literally foundation gets everywhere. So yeah, I'm just like trying to be careful about putting the lid back on. But that has been like the #1 complaint that people have been saying, is that it's very, very messy. Now, I paid $19.99 for this on Ulta, and I'm pretty sure you can get it cheaper at Target. Possibly Walgreens, but I just kind of wanted to do my whole haul from Ulta, so that's why I got it from there. But if you are gonna get it, look around a little bit because I think you can get it cheaper. L'Oreal's True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum contains 1% hyaluronic acid and instantly brightens, evens, and hydrates skin. I will say yes. Gives your skin a hydrated feel and smooths over time. Instantly, skin looks brighter, even, and feels hydrated. Luminous mineral pigments brighten complexion. Now, I don't know if my skin looks brighter because of the tanner or because of the foundation, but I will say this like matched my skin really well. So I'm curious to see when my tanner wears off if it's still gonna be a match. Because I mean, I got the color 3-4 light medium, so it's a little darker than I was expecting to be like a light medium color, but overall I'm happy with it. I've only had it on for like an hour now, so I want to see kind of like wear it longer and see how it wears. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about, this is from Revlon. Revlon ColorStay Skin Awaken Caffeine and Vitamin C 5-in-1 Concealer. It says 24 hours. What is the 5-in-1? Now, this was $11.99, and okay, it says it erases, perfects, brightens, hydrates, and refreshes skin for a flawless awake look. So I do really like that it has the caffeine and vitamin C. Those are two really good ingredients for under your eyes to help with tired looking or like puffiness. The applicator is just one of these little like spongy tips, and you just squeeze it and then it comes out the top. So yeah, I really liked this. It was like a thicker consistency. So I mean, I barely used any. I just put a little bit right here, and then I put a little bit on my eyelids as well, kind of like a primer for my eyeshadow. And I really did like how this felt. Okay, this next one I thought was so cute. This is from NYX as well. This is a little mini eye palette called the Ultimate Queen. And I just thought this was so cute. These are, so one of my favorite palettes that I use every day is a Tarte, and it's all like neutrals and browns colors, and it's got some bronzers in there, and I love that one. But this one kind of reminded me of it, but it's a lot smaller. So I thought that this one would be perfect for every day. So I did use this on the eyelids first, and then I use this in the crease, and then I use this darker one to kind of darken the edges, and then I use this gold on the lid, and I love this thing. But then you could also use the black as like a liner. But I really liked this. I thought it was really cute and it would be convenient, kind of like an everyday thing. And this was only $7. So I thought that that was such a cute little palette to try, and I was very happy with it. The colors were very pigmented, and yeah, I mean, it's NYX, so you can't really go wrong with that. Okay, the next thing we're gonna talk about is a mascara. I needed mascara so badly. My other two that I had were like super dried out. So this one I grabbed because it was on the new list. This is from e.l.f. and it's called Big Mood, and it's waterproof. Now, I don't know that I love waterproof mascaras, but this one just looked really cool. I love this type of applicator. This reminds me of like the Lash Paradise or the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And it's just like a really nice applicator. I like the big thick ones. They just like get on your lashes really good. I have a couple that are like really thin, a couple that I've gotten from my BoxyCharm, and they just do not work very well. So I really enjoy this applicator. And this was only $7 as well. So like I said, it's from e.l.f. Yeah, it says Big Mood Mega Volume and Lifting Waterproof Mascara. Now, I did look to see if they had it in non-waterproof, and I didn't see it, but maybe in store they will have something different, because I would prefer not to have waterproof just because it's easier to take off, but I do really like this one. All right, the last thing we're gonna talk about is just a lip gloss. It's nothing crazy. I'm not a huge lipstick person. I just like to have lip gloss on all the time. I don't mind a little bit of color, nothing crazy. I like lighter pinks, maybe like champagne colors, but I hate dark colors and reds. I just don't ever wear them. So this looked fun. This is from NYX. This is Juice Gloss, electrolyte infused color, and this one is Watermelon Sugar. There's no R on the end. So what does it say about this one? This one was $8. And it does come in quite a few colors. It also comes in a clear, which is coconut. Yum. Anywho, it smells so good. And then this is what the applicator is like. It smells so good. It reminds me of, oh my gosh, it smells exactly like, I think it was from Mary Kay. When I was little, my mom had this lip gloss from Mary Kay, and it smells just like this. It smells so good. This just brought me back to my childhood. All right, guys, those are the products that I have for this video. Have you guys tried any of them? Let me know down in the comments what you think, if you like them, if you don't. As of now, I'm gonna say I like everything. I'm still like curious to try out the foundation a little bit longer and see how it wears, but I love everything so far. There was nothing that was a bad first impression, so I'm definitely gonna be using those a lot. So like I said, all the products will be in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.